Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a highly anticipated head-to-head showdown. The Sony RX1R III versus the Fujifilm OVI. These are two of the most coveted premium compact cameras on the market, and whether you're a street photography enthusiast, a travel blogger, or a professional looking for a high-quality everyday shooter, this video is going to help you decide which camera is the perfect fit for you. So, buckle up. And let's dive into this detailed comparison. Overview and philosophy: compact full-frame mirrorless successor to the RX1R II rumored specs. 61MP full-frame sensor. Bion's XR processor, 4K 6K video, improved AF built for ultimate image quality in a tiny package. Fujifilm X100VI APS-C sensor with 40MP X-Trans CMOS 5HR sensor. X processor 5 IBIS is first time in X100 series. Hybrid OVF EVF film simulations built for tactile shooting, style, and storytelling. So already, we're looking at two very different philosophies. Sony is cramming flagship-level hardware into a minimalist body, while Fujifilm is giving you the classic rangefinder experience refined with modern tech. Build and design: Sony RX1R III, solid magnesium alloy, compact and dense built-in EVF pop-up style. Control dials are minimal weather sealing. Rumored Fujifilm X100VI classic rangefinder style body, aluminum top and bottom plates, physical dials. For ISO shutter, exposure OVF plus EVF combo, retro aesthetics with modern durability, fully weather sealed, first time in series. The RX1R III is understated and stealthy. The X100V is elegant and expressive. Both are compact, but the Fuji wins in tactile control. While Sony may appeal to minimalists who want less in the way, sensor and image quality: Sony RX1R III. 61MP full-frame sensor, same as a 7RV. Back illuminated design for low light, incredible resolution, and dynamic range. No low-pass filter. RAW depth and detail: Fujifilm X100VI 40MP APS-C X-Trans CMOS 5HR, great color science film simulations, Velvia, classic chrome, etc. Very good low light, though not full-frame level, excellent JPEG engine. If pure resolution and dynamic range are your priorities, Sony wins hands down. But Fuji's film simulations and JPEG output are unmatched for quick editing and sharing. Autofocus and and sometimes the way forward is into someone else. Performance: Sony RX1R III fast hybrid AF with the eye-based subject tracking, similar to A7RV, real-time IAF for humans and animals likely. 10 FPS continuous shooting. Fujifilm X1.OVI enhanced AF with deep learning AI subject tracking for faces, eyes, animals, cars, etc. 0.11 FPS mechanical, up to 20 FPS electronic, improved startup, and shot times in real-world use. Both cameras are snappy. Sony's full-frame AF tracking may edge ahead in reliability, but Fujifilm has caught up remarkably with AI enhancements. Most users, both are excellent. Lens comparison: Sony RX1R III fixed 35mm f2 Zeiss Sonner T full-frame rendering. Beautiful. Bokeh razor sharp, great contrast. Fujifilm X100V fixed 23mm f2 35mm equivalent. Redesigned optical formula, great for street, portraits, and travel. Both lenses are stellar. The Sony gives you that full-frame creaminess, while the Fuji lens is updated for the new sensor and remains tack sharp. The field of view is nearly identical. It's making this a matter of character more than numbers. Video capabilities: Sony RX1R III, 4K 60 or possibly 6K 3010, bit internal recording. S-Log 3, HLG, real-time IAF, no IBIS, rumored stabilization limited. Fujifilm X100VI Ludir RK Senling P. 6K Luling P. F-Log R. 10-bit, 4222, IBIS up to 6 stops. Great for handheld video. Fuji takes the win in stabilization, but Sony may win in pure video quality and codecs. That said, neither is primarily a video camera. They're photo-first tools that happen to shoot excellent video. Usability, UI, and ergonomics. This is where personal preference kicks in. Sony RX1R III simple, minimal UI deep menu system, love it. Or hate it touchscreen possibly tilt-only Fujifilm X100VI intuitive physical dials. Customizable Q menu hybrid viewfinder for optical plus EVF shooters fully articulating screen Fujifilm wins in intuitive usability and charm. Sony wins in function. Over form precision. Choose based on your workflow and shooting style. Battery life and storage Sony RX1R III likely uses NPFC 100 battery USB-C charging. Estimated 500 shots Fujifilm X100VI. NPW126S battery USB-C PD. Estimated 300 to 400 shots. Sony might squeeze more out of its battery, but both support USB-C charging. So top-offs on the go are easy. Price and value Sony RX1R III estimated price $3,500, $4,000. One full frame. Compact Fujifilm X100VI price $1,599 APS-C, but feature-rich. Sony offers more resolution and a full-frame sensor, but at nearly double the cost. Fuji gives you unbeatable value with its rich feature set and classic shooting experience. Who should buy which? Travel photographers? Fujifilm X100VI, compact, light, stabilized street photographers, toss-up. But Fuji has stealth and hybrid viewfinder resolution hunters print professionals. Sony RX1R III no contest. Everyday shooter who loves tactile controls. Fujifilm Minimalist Pro, who wants Leica level quality. Sony RX1R III. Both of these cameras are absolute gems. The Sony RX1R III gives you full-frame magic in your pocket, while the Fujifilm X100VI balances innovation and nostalgia like no other camera. Your choice comes down to whether you prioritize resolution and sensor size or shooting experience and creativity. Let me know in the comments which one would you choose and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more detailed camera reviews, comparisons, and photography deep dives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.